Okay, go ahead. Go ahead and clean it up then. Try one more to clean it up the same way. Okay, now try the other way. Okay. Kind of just brush it as though you're going to use your foot to brush the cement to demonstrate how we did get to the bottom or we didn't. What do you feel?
Slippery.
Is it slippery?
Yeah.
It's icy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really easy to get off of.
Go ahead. Any different feel? Any different feel?
Not really. It isn't icy.
It's not as icy. Okay. We'll have to demonstrate that with your feet, okay?
Yeah, it's not as icy. It's came off just as smooth.
Okay. Excellent. All right. Turn around. And again, any difference in feel?
It's just not as icy and it's slick. But otherwise it comes off fine.
Okay. Okay, so I'm coming in again. You're going to show me. And so you again do your foot thing and you say it's not as icy, right?
No. Nice to get traction.
Okay, cool. Okay, go ahead. Any feel to it?
Oh. Just as sticky as that one, but
Okay.
well, it didn't seem to come off as easy.
Not as easy? Okay.
Not as clean as the other one.
Okay. All right. Well, that's good to know because the other one was a clean surface. Okay. All right. Now give me what's your feel?
I don't know. It doesn't have as much traction as the last one, but
it's better than the first?
Better than the first.
Okay.
Yeah. Still got some snow on it, but I couldn't get off first.
Okay. Just an update on the snow shoveling that we just did, that Samuel did. In the area, the first area that was towards Dockendorf's, where it had been icy and snow covered, and it appears that where in fact the snow was more melted than being able to put it direct on a dry surface, that certainly remained icy. And so that in the first experience we had there, there was a distinct area that was icy, and I think as I look back in the videos, I'm going to see that that was snow covered, and in the end became icy as a result of it. It shoveled fine, but remained icy instead of a hard track. The other two areas that we did, the next area, of course, was the dry cement application, and that came off beautifully, both where we tracked as well as both where we didn't track. Sam, did you notice any difference when you had to shovel the track the second time?
I don't know, it didn't come off as easy.
Uh-huh. But
I think shoveling the second time was the easiest. First time was the hardest. Third time was alright. Wasn't that hard.
okay.
But
So I'm asking, in either of them, when you had to do the tracked area, and obviously it was more difficult, but do you reference anything there in the sense of a difference between the three?
not really. I mean, I guess if more people walked over, you'd have a higher. It'd be harder, but
But it did clean off.
yeah, it came off easy. It just the one that didn't clean off the best was the third one and the first one. First one had to scrape a little bit,
Got it.
but the third one had a little bit over.
Okay, so based on, I think, the feedback we're getting here is that the ability to apply this stuff on the dry, which you probably everybody knows already, is critical to its greatest success. But also, though, that even in those areas that wouldn't be dry, it probably does help in the sense of shovel ability. The finished product isn't as good in the sense of the ice potential, but it is still shovelable versus hard pack. It was not hard packing, even though we walked on top of it. And of course, we'll be walking on top of it again in terms of our next example, and we'll see how that again begins to sift through here. Once that snow remains packed for a couple hours or so here, we'll see what difference it makes.